Forget what you know about the former Kia Forte, because this certainly isn't it. Its replacement is a vastly different car, at least visually. Specifics on performance haven't been released. Kia has shared full images of its new compact sedan before it debuts publicly on March 27th at the New York Auto Show. While beauty may be in the eye of the beholder, there's no denying that the new K4 looks interesting. We can probably also agree it makes the old Forte, aka Cerato, seem outdated. That rear pillar from the teasers still looks rather awkward, but Kia is known for doing things differently in terms of styling. The exterior styling resembles the smaller K3, which supersedes the Rio, but not in the United States, where Kia is phasing out its entry-level sedan. The new K4 appears to be larger than the Forte it replaces, and while it has a rakish roofline, it's still a sedan with a traditional trunk lid. The handles for the rear doors have been incorporated into the pillar, where the quarter glass is significantly larger than what the Forte had. The rear doors also seem longer, suggesting the K4 is a bigger car. This teal interior also represents a radical change, as the 2025 K4 is the latest Kia to receive a dual-screen setup. You still have plenty of old-school controls to adjust the climate settings and the volume, along with shortcuts for navigation, media, and other often-used functions. Above the door handle on the driver's side are buttons for the heated and ventilated front seat as well as the heated steering wheel. The front passenger also has a 3-stage heated and ventilated seat. The 2025 Kia K4 appears to have a head-up display, plenty of USB ports, a 12V180W socket, and a drive mode button on the steering wheel. This teal upholstery is called slate green, but the compact sedan is also going to be offered with canyon brown, onyx black, and medium gray interiors. If you want to rely less on the touchscreen, there's a rotary controller below the display. The K4 should go on sale later this year in the United States after it debuts next week at the 2024 New York Auto Show.